Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add emojis and Mailchimp to make your emails more engaging and fun. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account and either create a new campaign or open an existing one to edit. Once you're in the campaign builder, go to the section where you'd like to insert emojis. This could be the subject line or the main body of your email. To add an emoji, click into the next area and place your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear. Then, open a new tab and head over to emojipedia.org. Browse through the emojis, select the one you like, and copy it. Now, return to Mailchimp and simply paste the emoji into the text field. After you've inserted the emoji, take a moment to preview your email to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You successfully added emojis to your Mailchimp campaign. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.